Recently, videos of decorative plants rapidly growing through AI have been going viral. In this video, I'm going to show you the logic behind how you can create this type of content yourself by walking through a sample video. First, open ChatGPT. Paste the specially updated master prompt I've prepared for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt, either manually or with the help of an AI tool, to fit the specific length and scenario of the video you want to create. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is linked in the video description. Based on my prompt, I've requested 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts. First, copy the generated image prompt and head over to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the copied image prompt into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. Once we check the generated image and confirm it's what we want, we save it. Since we don't want any unwanted changes to our scene, we go to the Edit Images section on the OpenArt site and upload the image we just downloaded. Then, return to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into the prompt box on OpenArt, and generate our second scene image. This way, we achieve a perfect match between the scenes. After our images are created, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to OpenArt and select the Frame to Video section. Again, you can use different models and output settings based on your budget. I'm placing the first scene image I downloaded into the Start Frame section and the second scene, image, into the End Frame section. Then, I'll paste my video prompt into the prompt box. Select Kling 3.0 as the model, make sure the audio setting is on, adjust your output preferences, and click the Create button. The final result will look something like this. Thanks for watching. To keep improving your content creation skills, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.